evening is an opportunity to celebrate the success of our students from right across the college. Success that's been generated not only through their hard work and determination, but partnerships with parents, friends, and also the staff at the college, who I have to pay tribute to for their determination and their support for their learners throughout the year. It's a great evening, one of the highlights of the college, and I'm really looking forward to hearing more about these individual students' success stories as the evening progresses.
Mae'n wych i fod yma heddi gyda Coleg Oer Abertawe yn ystod y noson gwobrwyo. Fel busnes lleol, mae'n bwysig bod ni'n gallu helpu myfyrwyr lleol hefyd. A dyma dathliad anhygoel sy'n dod â pawb at ei gilydd i wir dathlu'r hyn maen nhw wedi llwyddo wneud dros y flwyddyn diwethaf. Pob lwc am y dyfodol i bob dysgwr.
Hi, I'm Kelly Fountain. I'm the principal of Gwobrau College Swansea, and I'm delighted to be here this evening celebrating our students in the class of 2024. Each of our students have worked exceptionally hard this year. It's really lovely to hear about their journeys, their stories and successes, so looking forward to celebrating tonight.
I feel like my time at Gwobrau College has been one of the best 3 years I've ever had in my life. I'm just so entirely grateful for everyone and all my friends I've met along the way and every single member of staff that has helped me. In September, I'm off to the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama with a scholarship to study on the BMU's Vocal Studies and Opera Performance course. Once I finish my undergrad, I hope to go on to the graduate course at Royal Welsh, studying Vocal Studies, but I'm also hoping to go on to opera school in the future. I absolutely enjoyed being here tonight. It was so grateful to hear everybody's stories for every award that they've won, and I think everyone is just a true inspiration.
This evening has been so inspirational for me as well as the students, hopefully. Hearing some of their stories, what they've achieved, it's just truly outstanding. It just, to me, proves what talent that we have here in Wales. One of the things I always say about giving inspiration to anybody is understanding where it comes from. I think to set your own personal goals, have the right people around you who will support you on your journey is really fundamental for your success. So keep your aspirations, keep working hard or whatever you choose to do, and you'll be great.